Welcome back, folks. As I step into Norwich Train Station, a sense of history and connectivity washed over me. Norwich, the heart of Norfolk, is not just a city with rich cultural heritage but also a crucial transportation hub in the east of England. With its grand Victorian architecture, Norwich Train Station, the largest in the region, serves as a gateway to many important destinations. The station connects to major cities like London, Cambridge and Peterborough, as well as regional towns such as Great Yarmouth, Lowestoft and Cromer. The station's importance is evident in front of activity around me, with travelers heading to various parts of the country. Holding my ticket, I boarded the train bound for Cromer, a picturesque seaside town. The train, operated by Great Anglia, is clean, comfortable and equipped with modern amenities such as power outlets, ensuring a pleasant journey. The distance between Norwich and Cromer is approximately 23 miles or 37 kilometers, with the train covering this in about 1 hour, making it a relaxing trip through the heart of Norfolk countryside. The train moved at a steady speed, offering plenty of time to enjoy the scenery. Midway through the journey, the train made a brief stop at Worstead, a small village known for its historic church and its role in the wool industry during the medieval period. The stop was brief, but it gave me a moment to appreciate the charm of these rural stations that dot the Norfolk countryside. As the train continued towards Cromer, the sunlight intensified, casting a silver hue over the green fields, making the landscape appear almost surreal. I gazed out of the window at the lush green fields that stretched out under the summer sun. Norfolk is known for its fertile lands, where a variety of crops like wheat, barley and sugar beet are grown. During this time of year, the fields were vibrant with the promise of a good harvest. Some fields, however, were a rich brown, freshly tilled and ready for the next crop cycle. The sight of solar panels scattered across the fields was a reminder of the region's shift towards sustainable energy, harnessing the abundant sunlight that bathed the landscape. The journey to Cromer felt like a step back in time, with the train winding through the tranquil countryside, finally arriving at the quaint Cromer station. Cromer is famous for its Victorian pier, sandy beaches and fresh seafood, especially crab, a local delicacy. The town's proximity to the North Sea gives it a unique charm, attracting visitors looking for a peaceful coastal retreat. Upon arrival at Cromer Station, I was informed by the railway staff that the next train back to Norwich would depart in 30 minutes, with the train schedules being somewhat unpredictable due to ongoing track maintenance in the region. I decided to spend a few minutes exploring the station. Many thanks to the train driver who took my pictures while I was sitting on his driving seat. Cromer Station, though small, exodus a certain charm, reflecting the town's seaside character. After a brief stroll, I boarded the train back to Norwich. The return journey was more peaceful and picturesque, with the late afternoon golden sun casting long shadows across the lush green fields. Arriving back at Norwich Train Station, I decided to take a walk through a nearby food street, where the aroma of freshly prepared meals filled the air. I picked up some dinner to enjoy on the train ride back to Cambridge. It was late by the time I arrived at Cambridge, and the station looked magnificent under the night lights. The day's journey from Norwich to Cromer and back had been both relaxing and enlightening, showcasing the beauty and history of this unique part of England.